fire this up, and no microphone. Shocker. So we got the 2 buttons. Yeah, is that on? And what's it do? Nothing. Hit it again. And are we on here? Oh, there we go. Not connected. You gotta hit it twice. So maybe we'll get pretty good audio like this. I hope so. All I can tell you is, so I just watched some of the footage back. I don't know why GoPro couldn't do this. I mean, they've been at it for years. Now this is the perfect motovlog setup. Nope, not going. Remote connected. Is my microphone gonna connect? There we go. Now my mic's connected. That'll work. So we're just gonna try this out. All we got right now, we just threw that wireless mic right in there. Huh. Mic sounds good. Hopefully we can figure out the 32-bit float thing, but until then, we're gonna go on a little ride. Let's have to stop and get some gas first. So we got everything working, it looks like. We're gonna go to the gas station. So we do have the wind reduction or noise reduction on our camera settings now. We'll probably play it back here in a little while and see how that sounds. And if it doesn't sound real good, we'll change it. There it is. And the mic's hooked up. Good news. The mic is just hooked up the DJI MIC 2 completely wirelessly. I don't know if you can see it in the helmet there, but it's just hooked in there. I just hot glued the magnet in, slapped the mic in. The mic does pop out when I lift up the modular part of my helmet. I don't know how that will go. We're gonna shoot for Soldier Creek. And I imagine we're getting a lot of wind noise right now. Maybe if we close that, it'll do better on the mic. Sport bike. Oh, there it is. And she's connected. So today, we're gonna go to Soldier Creek. It's a hiking trail from what I know. And I've been out this way quite a few times, but I'd never been to Soldier Creek itself. After we go check out Soldier Creek, we might continue on and go check out Secret Pass. If Secret Pass is open, then maybe we'll come back over Harrison or Overland. So we will see. Should be a fun little ride. So if Secret Pass is open, we will come back, we'll go through Ruby Valley, and then we'll shoot for Overland. And this is Club Line Road, I think it's called. Either way, this is Lamoille, Nevada. And I guess if we can't make it up and over Secret Pass, we will take the lower Lamoille Road back into Spring Creek. Oh, the trees are greening up. Dead end. Did I go the wrong way? Yeah, I think I took the wrong way. Definitely went the wrong way. This goes to the 360 Lodge. Well, we missed a turn somewhere. Well, I thought I remembered it being this way. Maybe not. Well, just ignore that. Alright, I don't... Oh, it is on. My mic is going. Well, here we go. Headed back the other way. Apparently it's not that way anymore, it's this way. So we're trying this way. Ah, it feels good out here. 58 degrees. And now we're on Clubline Road. We were just right out there. I swear that's how we used to make it. But apparently it ain't. Oh no. I've been this way before. I was just confused. Nah, this totally looks familiar now. I don't know how I ended up on the wrong road. We're going thinking it was the other way. 7th Canyon Ranch. I think they train a bunch of fancy horses out here. Oh, look at the trees blooming. We better stop and take a look. Make sure we're still going the right way to get to Soldier Creek. I think it's this one. Takes us to the lower section. Slippery. There we go. Now we're moving. Hard to take off and that stuff. We're gonna have to stop and check the map. Alright, I think we're good. Turn it on. There it is. I felt it that time. She's hooked up. So it looks like we got a right-hand turn up here coming up. And that's the way. But we will check it out. Oh, I think this is it. Seasonal closure. Open May 1st. National Forest. There's some chunky rocks out here, but well, that is fun. Even with the little rock outcroppings and stuff, it's a fun road. Yes, well, this is cool. This is somewhere we've never been. Check it out. So I know up here, up Soldier Creek, a ways up here, it's supposed to turn to a trailhead for hiking to the top of Soldier Peak. But I've never really been up here. A new one for me. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I'll be up here again. ADV, Nevada. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, wow. Oh, we gotta fly the drone through here. This is cool. Can't help it. It's like mosquitoes hitting me right in the eyeballs. Oh, maybe it's dirt flying up off my tires. Could be that too. Welcome to Nevada. Ah, the creek is awesome. How cool is this? ADV Nevada. Wow. This is badass. You can go up and down this all day. Oh man. Oh, talk about fun. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at this. and packing water with them. Look at that. I don't know how much further the road goes. My map died. Wow. I think JP said remember to pass on the left. Oh, this is the trailhead. This is it right here. I think. Damn. This is cool. Take a look at that. Oh, we got a little river crossing. The bearded grump would be all over this. Oh, she's a deep one too. ADV Nevada. Check this out. So cool. I just wanted to take a second and show you guys our setup. This is it right here. So my microphone just connected from the regular camera audio. This is a wireless transmitter. Inside my helmet is a magnet, hot glued to the side of my face shield. That's how we put it in. Take it out, put it in. That's our Motovlog setup right now. Boy, I hope our audio's good and it's not all blown out and we can at least figure out that 32-bit float thing. I'm gonna take this camera that I'm filming with, and I think you can see me. Let me see, yeah. Oh, I'm looking at the mirror. You gotta look at the mirror. So I gotta put it on the back. Okay, you see this camera right here, and I'm gonna flip it on there. And it's on. Look at that. Quite the setup. I don't know what we're gonna do with ourselves. If our audio sucks, we'll turn the music up. Oh yeah, and while we're at it, here's one of our t-shirts. This one's pretty simple design. Just says Adventure Rider on it. Let's go. Let's get it on. Yeah, you know what? I think I am gonna pull off and see if the noise cancellation thing is messing stuff up. It'd be a do-over. I'll try it again in just a second. Okay, we're recording now. All I can tell you is, so I just watched some of the footage back and listened to the audio of this DJI with the noise cancellation going. And oh man, I think you guys are gonna like it. I don't know why GoPro couldn't do this. I mean, they've been at it for years, and they couldn't do this. Now this is the perfect motovlog setup. ADV Nevada. Saying they got two more following them up. We'll wait for him to come by. There he is. Get it! Little pit bike. This ride's up there on my list for cool ass rides close to home. And I'm sure you can't see it in the camera, but that's Lake Phyllis Way out there. JP and I went there. I'm pretty sure he said if I got to 1,000 subscribers, he'd swim across that lake. I think we're gonna have to find out. That right there is Soldier Creek. Anybody that wants to see GPS tracks for any of these rides, just let me know down in the comments. Send me an email, find me on Instagram, send me a message. Or Facebook Messenger, that works too. That's Soldier Creek ride, and it is impressive. So we pulled off and made a little pit stop by the creek here. Pretty full today, and a little chilly. Well, we had a fun ride today. Went up Soldier Creek. That was a new one for me. I never really went up there because I knew it was just like a hiking trail that people like to hike up, and had a few camping spots. I don't know, I think you guys are going to be really impressed with that DJI mic too, that wireless mic. literally just have it hot glued into my helmet. The magnet, and then you just pop it in and out. I played back some of the audio. It sounds good. If you want to support your state for the ADV Your State t-shirt, stop by the adventureglide.com store. It's advgld.com. Pretty easy to find. Pick you up a t-shirt. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Adventure Glide channel. ADV Nevada.